Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Lily, and today we are going to talk about going to a restaurant.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Lily, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, thank you. How about you?
I am doing very well too.
That is good to hear.
So, today's topic is at the restaurant.
Yes, I love this topic.
Do you like going to restaurants?
Yes, I love it very much.
Me too. It is one of my favorite things to do.
Why do you like it so much?
Because I don't need to cook, and the food is delicious.
Haha, that is a good reason.
What about you? Why do you like restaurants?
I like the atmosphere. It feels relaxing.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yes, and I also like trying new food.
That sounds fun.
It is very fun.
How often do you go to a restaurant?
I go about once a week.
Wow, that is often.
Yes, I really enjoy it. What about you?
I go maybe 2 times a month.
That is still good.
Yes, it is a nice treat.
I agree.
Okay, today we will talk all about restaurants.
Yes, and we will learn some useful English too.
That's right. Let's begin.
Let's begin.
So Lily, let's imagine we are going to a restaurant right now.
Okay, I love this idea.
First, we walk into the restaurant.
Yes, and someone welcomes us at the door.
That person is called the host or the hostess.
Oh, that is a useful word.
Yes, the host says, "Hello, how many people?"
And we say, 2 people, please.
Exactly. Then the host shows us to our table.
This is called a table for 2.
Yes, that is correct.
What happens next?
Next, we sit down and the waiter gives us the menu.
Yes, the menu.
Do you know what a menu is?
Yes, it is the list of food and drinks.
Exactly right.
I always take a long time to choose.
Me too. There are so many choices.
Yes, it is hard to decide.
What kind of food do you usually order?
I usually order chicken or pasta.
Oh, I love pasta too.
What about you? What do you usually order?
I usually order a burger or some soup.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is one of my favorites.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. Do you?
Not really. I prefer mild food.
That's interesting. Everyone has different taste.
That is very true.
Okay, so now the waiter comes to our table.
Yes, and the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
We can say, "Yes, I am ready to order."
Or we can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Yes, that is very polite.
I use that sentence a lot.
Me too, especially when the menu is very long.
Haha, that is true.
Okay, now let's practice ordering food.
Okay, let's do it.
We usually say, "I would like the chicken, please."
Yes, "I would like" is a very polite way to order.
That's right. It is more polite than saying "I want."
Good point. "I want" can sound a little rude.
Exactly. So remember, use "I would like" at a restaurant.
That is a great tip.
Let's practice one more time.
Okay.
I would like the pasta, please.
"I would like a glass of water, please."
Perfect. Very good English.
Thank you.
Now, what about drinks?
Yes, the waiter also asks about drinks.
The waiter might say, "What would you like to drink?"
And we can answer, "I would like some water, please."
Or, "I would like a Coke, please."
Yes, that is very simple and clear.
Do you usually drink water at restaurants?
Yes, I usually drink water. It is healthy.
That's a good habit.
What do you usually drink?
I usually drink orange juice.
Oh, that sounds refreshing.
Yes, it is very refreshing. Now, let's talk about some important vocabulary.
Yes, this will help our listeners a lot.
First word, menu.
The menu is the list of food and drinks.
Second word, waiter or waitress.
This is the person who takes our order.
Third word, order.
This means to ask for food or drinks.
Fourth word, bill or check.
This is the paper that shows how much money we pay.
Great explanation.
Thank you.
Fifth word, tip.
A tip is extra money we give to the waiter for good service.
Yes, that is very common in many countries.
It is a nice way to say thank you.
Now, let's talk about some grammar too.
Okay, I am ready.
We often use the verb order in restaurant conversations.
Yes, order is a regular verb.
That's right. In the past tense, we simply add ed.
So order becomes ordered.
Exactly. For example, yesterday, I ordered pizza.
That is a very natural sentence.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Last night, we ordered pasta and salad.
Very good.
Now, what about the verb eat?
Oh, eat is an irregular verb.
Yes, that's correct. It does not follow the normal rule.
The past tense of eat is ate.
Exactly right.
So we say, I ate dinner at the restaurant.
Perfect example.
Irregular verbs can be tricky.
Yes, but with practice, they become easy.
That is very true.
Let's give one more example with eat.
Okay.
We ate delicious food last weekend.
Very natural.
Great job, everyone listening. Now, let's talk about pronunciation for a moment.
Yes, this is important too.
The word restaurant can be tricky to say.
Yes, many beginners find it difficult.
We say it like this. Restaurant.
Let's say it together, slowly.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Very good.
Practice makes perfect.
That's right. Keep practicing every day.
Yes, don't give up.
Okay, let's continue our restaurant story.
Yes, so we already ordered our food.
Now, we are waiting for the food to arrive.
This is my favorite part.
Why is that?
Because I feel excited to eat.
That's funny. I feel the same way.
Do you talk with your friends while waiting?
Yes, of course. We usually chat and laugh.
That makes the time pass quickly.
Exactly.
Finally, the food arrives.
Yes, and the waiter says, "Here is your food. Enjoy your meal."
That is a very common sentence.
Yes, we hear it every time.
And we usually say, thank you very much.
That's right. Always be polite.
Politeness is very important.
I completely agree.
Now let's eat.
Yes, let's imagine we are eating now.
This pasta is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
How is your food?
It is amazing. Very tasty.
That's wonderful.
Do you want to try some of mine?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go.
Wow, this is really good.
I'm happy you like it. Now, sometimes we want to order dessert too.
Oh yes, I love dessert.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I love ice cream.
Ice cream is always a good choice.
Yes, especially in summer.
That's very true.
So we can say, "Can we see the dessert menu, please?"
Yes, that is a very useful sentence.
Let's practice it together.
Can we see the dessert menu, please?
Perfect.
This is fun to practice.
Yes, learning English can be fun.
I agree completely.
Now, after we finish eating, what do we do?
We ask for the bill.
Yes, exactly. We can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or in America, people often say, can I have the check, please?
That's a great point. Bill and check mean the same thing.
Yes, it can be confusing for beginners.
Don't worry, both words are correct.
Good to know.
After we get the bill, we pay for the food.
Yes, and sometimes we leave a tip too.
That's right.
How much tip do you usually leave?
It depends, but usually about 10 to 15%.
That sounds reasonable.
Yes, it shows appreciation for good service.
I completely agree.
Okay, let's review some useful sentences now.
Great idea.
Number 1, a table for 2, please.
Number 2, can I see the menu, please?
Number 3, I would like the chicken, please.
Number 4, can I have some water, please?
Number 5, can I have the bill, please?
These sentences are very useful for beginners.
Yes, please practice them every day.
That's a great way to improve.
Now, what about you, everyone watching?
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to know.
Yes, we read every comment.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for your support.
We appreciate every one of you.
Let's continue talking a little more about restaurants.
Okay, sure.
Have you ever had a funny experience at a restaurant?
Yes, actually. One time the waiter brought the wrong food.
Oh no, what happened?
I ordered chicken, but they brought fish.
That's funny.
Yes, we all laughed about it.
Did they fix the mistake?
Yes, they quickly brought the correct food.
That's good.
What about you? Any funny stories?
Yes, one time I dropped my fork on the floor.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, it was a little embarrassing.
Don't worry, it's normal.
True, we all make small mistakes sometimes.
Exactly. No one is perfect.
Let's talk about different types of restaurants now.
Great topic.
There are fast food restaurants.
Yes, like burger places.
There are also fancy restaurants.
Those are for special occasions.
And there are family restaurants too.
Those are more relaxed and casual.
What type do you like the most?
I like family restaurants the best.
Why is that?
Because the atmosphere is comfortable.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy fancy restaurants sometimes.
Oh really? Why?
Because the food is very special.
That sounds nice for a celebration.
Yes, exactly.
Do you go to fancy restaurants often?
No, only for special days, like birthdays.
That makes sense.
Now, let's imagine going to a restaurant with family.
Oh, I love family dinners.
Yes, they are very special.
Who do you usually go with?
I usually go with my parents and my sister.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I usually go with my husband and my kids.
That's wonderful.
Yes, we enjoy our time together.
Family time is very important.
I completely agree.
Do your kids like trying new food?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's normal for kids.
Yes, very true.
Now, what about ordering food for takeout?
Oh yes, that's very common too.
Takeout means we order food but eat it at home.
Yes, that's correct.
We can say, "Can I get this to go, please?"
That's a very useful sentence.
Do you order takeout often?
Yes, especially on busy days.
Same here. It's very convenient.
Yes, it saves a lot of time.
What is your favorite takeout food?
I love ordering pizza for takeout.
That's a great choice.
What about you?
I love ordering noodles.
That sounds delicious too.
Let's review our vocabulary one more time.
Great idea. Repetition helps us remember.
Menu, waiter, order, bill, tip.
Table for two, ready to order, to go.
Excellent. You remembered everything.
Thank you. I practiced a lot.
That is the best way to learn.
Yes, practice every single day.
What about you, listeners? Did you learn a new word today?
Please write it in the comments below.
We would love to see your answers.
It helps us know what you are learning.
Well, Lily, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about restaurants, food, and useful English sentences.
Yes, I hope everyone learned something new.
Remember to practice these sentences every day.
Practice a little every day and you will improve fast.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.